Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section. Also, guys, one more thing: once you subscribe, click on the notification bell icon. So, once I drop an update, instantly you will get the update. Do not miss out on any single update. Just click on that bell notification button. So, once I drop the updates immediately, you will get the updates. Let's see what we'll be expecting for this week on our GBPJPY. So let's start with our food trend. We are definitely in an uptrend move. This trend is definitely on the uptrend move. That is a full view. But when you take a look at this current movement, you will see that it is literally ranging in this level. So market is literally ranging in this level. Now, that is it for the week. We will see that market is rejected from this resistance. Which I told you guys that market will push up to tap the resistance. It's rejected from our supports. I think it was about 2 weeks ago or about last week. I think it was about last week. I did prediction the market will push up to tap our resistance level, and this is it. Tapped it. Now that we are currently at the resistance, we're expecting to drop back till it eventually tap our support level. So this week, GBPJPY will be a bearish move for us. So one thing you should be looking out for this week is a sell. Be looking out for a sell and hopping on the sell once you get the sell set up. Uh, Once the sell starts playing out, I'll give you guys the update. So click on that notification bell icon. So once I drop the update on the sell, you will get it and you would not miss out on the sell.